Alrighty guys, as in popular demand we came through with another sled.
Another sled video.
One that's not completely junk though.
Yeah, you know the Skidoo last time, it could see better days.
On the last episode of you know what. So
this episode, guys,
this episode
real treat for you.
Of what is mint.
This 1996 Indy Sport 440. Racing. Yeah, race in. Not racing with a G, it's race in. But yeah, this is a 96 440 Sport with 3,500 miles on it. Not bad. Pick this up. We're actually going to be racing this sled, guys, in a stock class on the ice oval next season. So that is the game plan. You can race these in the 440s, have a class, and then you can also race like the 488 fans. But basically it's stock, fan cooled. You can change the skis out, put handlebars on it. Obviously it needs a studded track. This is like a wife-driven trail rider. It is registered currently until 2023. But yeah, you can open the hood up.
Factory bag over the gas cap.
Yeah, they said the plastic thing fell off the gas cap, so maybe I need a new gas cap. But standard 440 twin fan cooled. The air box will be getting removed. Battery box, starter, could have had electric start, and stuff like that. These have P90 clutches on them, which you can't change the clutches. It'd be nice to have a P85. That's probably the better one. But a P90 would be fine. And the clutch looks okay. It's in decent condition. If I have to, there's always serviceable parts for those. Track is in good shape. Not like awesome, but it's not like terrible, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know, we've seen much
And then the cookies are getting some cracking on them. So we'll replace most of them. The whole slide rail is going to be taken out anyways and serviced. Like I said, the front skis will be getting replaced with some derby skis. We did get a sponsorship from Woody's Traction, so that's awesome. They're going to help us out, you know, getting studs, carbides at a discount. So that is good to hear.
Shout out Woody's.
Oh, for sure, for sure. But yeah, they put a new fuel pump on. I guess he said it was the impulse was leaking into the crankcase, flooding with gas.
Nothing but the best.
And nothing but the best. Clear line on the impulse is what I love to see. So I just kind of bought it sight unseen, kinda. I mean, I didn't really care because I knew I was going to race it anyways, as long as it ran. It started one pull when we got there. I did check the pipe; it wasn't hot. Like, he just started it like a second before we got there. You know.
One of those kind of
chain case. We'll be getting fluid changed. Fluid was definitely way better than I've seen. I mean, we've seen some.
It was black, no doubt.
That Skidoo 500 I had was mud. It was mud. It was terrible.
Yeah.
But yeah, so the airbox will be getting taken out. We'll make some carb stabilizers to kind of hold the carbs from doing the dance. And I wanted to do something about keeping this pipe from rusting anymore. I don't know if I could paint it with high temp paint. But we may take the motor out and get it dynoed anyways.
Sandblast the pipe. See if we need a coat of paint.
But I don't know if that sandblast might eat through
that. Yeah, the sandblast might go right to the pipe.
Yeah, recoil rope will get replaced when I have the engine out, because I am not breaking a rope when I'm on the track, because if you break your rope, you're done. Unless you can wrap it around the clutch somehow and get it started out there. But
or you do the old kick trick, you know, on the bam.
We'll do a compression test on it too. I don't have my gauge with me, but actually I do have a gauge, but it's the junk one that we don't think is accurate.
Yeah.
Otherwise I would say we would do one. We gotta get rid of these resistor caps.
Factory play and the spark plugs.
These plastic ones, guys, they're okay, but if you're gonna race application, you want the rubber ones, less vibration, and if you have one of these come off, you're gonna notice a little bit of a performance problem.
Just a little.
But yeah, I'll go ahead and try to start it up. Is this thing empty on gas though? Yeah, I mean,
we got a water bottle with some in it.
It smells a little shitty, but it's got like a drop, but it's got a fuel shut off over here. But we'll go ahead and try to start it up for you. Leakage and intake leak from your Cherry. No, it sounds good. Speedo works. Typical Indy fan cool. One full start. Oh yeah, high and low.
We'll get woke up a little bit.
Well, there you guys have it. This is going to be the new IFS oval sled. So I'll probably pilot this one, unless the other guys decide to take it. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, we have a lot of work to do in the next 3 months here, guys. I mean, it's going to be steady, and we're going to be getting some other cool projects.
Yeah, just wait, guys. In store, next video, there's another new toy coming.
Oh yeah. You know, we always try to pull your leg, but this time we might not be pulling.
Right.
We're legit grabbing onto your pant leg.
Oh yeah. And like, you know, these mowers like being woke up until the internals start knocking on you. You knock on the door, and then they say, you know.
These carbs, are they the ones with the... Okay, I don't think these actually don't have the main jets in the side, so that's good. They actually have the main jet in the bottom.
Good.
But yeah, a lot of modifications going to be going into this thing.
As far as what we can do.
Yeah, pretty much, you know, we got to put some money into it, but I got it for a good price. I mean, if anything, this is a great daily trail sled. I mean,
reliable.
Perfect condition. You can see it actually didn't bog, even if it's 70 degrees, it still wasn't that boggy. But yeah, we're doing a lot of engine tuning. We're going to try to document all the progress we do on the race sleds this season.
We're always bad at, we always do stuff and never pick up the camera.
If I can just put my head mount on, I'll just have it on, and because there isn't much content about oval sleds on the internet, you know. And I'm not going to share all the secrets, but I'll at least show what we're doing. That stuff we can tell you, we'll show you. But I'm not going to give away like my exact tuning setup and all this and that, because people out there will watch, and I don't want my competition to know. So, yeah. Not a bad looking sled though, guys. This 96 is the last year that they want in the class. It's like 1980 to 96. So this one here just makes the cut. But the paint job on the front hood is pretty shitty, like somebody plastic dipped it or something. I'm thinking I'm gonna take all these graphics right off and just either black it all out and put some stripes or something with green. But yeah, definitely decent condition, guys, for what we paid. I paid less than 500 bucks for it, so I think it's a win in my book. Typical going rate for these sleds in season's probably like 800 to 1,000. If you have it, you know, ready for snow, and there's snowfall, and the price usually goes up. So yeah, belly pan was good. Steering's actually quite tight. There isn't much play at all. We checked it when we were there.
Obviously IFS.
IFS is nice, but you can change the springs and stuff on it. You just gotta leave the same.
Don't you have to
2 inches of travel in both the front and the rear. You can chain the front end down too. So we could slam this sucker as low. We want it as low as we can get it.
Right.
For optimal stability. But yeah, the oil kind of smells like, I don't know. I can't tell you what oil it's in it, but
it's not Klotz.
It ain't Klotz. It's gonna have Klotz and Mercury Racing mixed. But yeah, look forward to plenty of this kind of content, guys, coming. Like I said, Scully's got a good machine that he might be picking up this weekend.
And we're getting a new pipe for the 450.
Yes, possibly a new exhaust for the 450, because that thing is like blown apart.
Yeah, we'll
kill that bee, would you, bud?
We'll show pictures of it.
Oh. But yeah, we'll get some videos on that. Hopefully look forward to the new stuff we got coming. But our main focus for the fall is going to be snowmobiles. We'll try to record other stuff, but we got to get going on it. If we don't get it going on it, it's going to be 2 a.m. nights.
And we're going to be first dynoing the sled.
Yeah, it's going to be terrible. We're going to be putting in the motor, tuning it, and getting the track ready all in one night before the race. And studying the track. But yeah, I mean, what do you think of the comfortability of that seat, though?
It's nice. Now, you're just going to be up in the saddle.
You know, and we're going to get oval bars with the, either going to get 2-inch offset or straight. We don't know yet.
And then, you know, always when you're going your left turns, you want to be on the right side.
That's going to be it for this video. Just want to show you the old Indy Sport 440. They do make these Indies in 488 fans. These are one of like the most reliable engines in the history of Polaris. There's more of these probably still out there riding than any other snowmobile, I would think. Yeah, the fan cool Polaris
this and the 488.
And the 340 fans. I mean, they're all those three are very, very reliable. I mean, they didn't make crazy power, but they're reliable. You know what I mean? Anything else? They're Sullivan.
Stay tuned, guys. We got, hopefully we'll get some more people on board.
Yeah,
Keep
like I said,
growing.
we're gonna try to get a few more sponsorships. Like I said, Woody's we're on board with them. Gave us a nice discount. We're gonna be plugging their website quite often, so hopefully you guys are okay with that. And then hopefully Cleetus Oil will get us a sponsorship. Maybe my work will hopefully sponsor us. And then if you guys know anybody that wants to donate some money to the race fund,
we'll make a business email.
Oh yeah, for sure. Anyways, guys, leave a like on the video, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys think of the upcoming sled season, what you guys want to see.